Hi, welcome to week 2. So week 2 of this class, we're going to start talking about collection. And what we're really referring to here is the data itself that's going to be the foundation for all the analytics that we do and the analysis that we do for security and intelligence. So collection, sampling, how do we get all this information together, all the data together that's going to help us to create an information picture for our end users. This week is going to be pretty much the same as every week. There's going to be discussion. There's going to be a quiz at the end of it to test your knowledge of it. There's going to be some reading. Now, what we're doing right now is continuing with the structured analytics reading. So we're going to keep going on that until we get a good amount of that under our belts. The presentation itself is I want you to go through it because it's got some key notes that I want you to take. There's be a video. I'll talk through some of the charts, but I want you to spend some time actually going through the PowerPoint yourself and kind of getting some of the keynotes out of that. And we'll go from there. So welcome to week 2, and here we go.